Many marriages end in divorce because of financial problems. Frequently, this occurs because couples make bad choices before the wedding or soon thereafter. Those bad choices then haunt them and create recurring marital conflicts. Therefore, I offer the following suggestions to help couples develop financial plans to carry them throughout their marriage and into retirement. Number 2, learn how money works. Many well-meaning Christians have limited their knowledge about money to what they have heard in a Bible study class or in a few sermons on Sunday morning. This is a good place to start because the Bible offers ethical and moral boundaries for money management. But if you and your spouse really want to achieve financial success, you must be exposed to other information sources as well. You should read financial newspapers, books, and magazines that offer sound money management material. Learn what you can about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, money market accounts, and investing in residential and commercial real estate. A variety of information sources can offer reliable information and a balanced approach to wealth building. But as you sort through these various sources, don't commit to anything without prayer and a sound understanding about how the investment advice compares with biblical ethics and standards of conduct. Don't forget, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.